Hi guys, we got a 2009, so from an 8 to 10. So I ran the backup camera. I installed it right here. Well, can't show you right there, see the camera? And I ran it here, there. So there's a couple of screws that you got to take it out from here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then took this booth out and push the wire up and go on today. I'm not going to show you that too much on that one. I'm going to show you how to remove the stereo instead. So what you want to do, you want to take a flathead and pop this plastic. Whoops. Yeah, it don't have to be completely out like that. It can stay like that for a minute. Well, it goes. I gotta grab that out from the needle nose. So you all have to pop this side, see this, out, and then this side out, because it's gonna stay like that. So you want to pop this side and this side. And then there's a Phillips down here. See that Phillips? Take that out. And now you can just pop it up like this. You don't have to take everything out. Just leave it like that. Take this other two out right here. Now once you get that out, you can just kind of pull it out like this. There's a screw on the bottom too. We don't have to take that out, because we just pull it out. We have to take this bezel out like this and hold it. Don't pull it too much, because I'm not gonna go take all these out, try to get the other two Phillip out. So I'm gonna pull like this and take 4 Phillip out from there and here. And once you take the bezel out, sounds like basil food to eat. I'm getting hungry already. It's 1 o'clock. I haven't eat anything yet. So you grab it out right there, and I'll show you what to do down here. There's a clip right there on the bottom. You have to press right there, the clip, and then pull the radio out. You put the radio like that. You push this clip, press this clip, and it's gonna open up, and then pull it out. Same as this. Press this clip right there and pull it out. It's JVC right here. So I'm gonna be installing the this plug. It's called SOOCR26. You don't have to if you don't want to spend that much money, but there's another video I can share. But I do need this one, because it's require me to do the brakes. Okay, there's the brake that I had to look after. Here would be that reverse, not brakes. It's a purple and white right there that I need. And you hook it up accordingly. So basically this is a non-amplifier. You take this green and purple and plug onto the non-amplifier, not amplifier. If it's amplified, now let's for example, if you plug this thing in, there's no sound, put it on here. Okay, so it doesn't really damage anything. So you can put it on non-amp or an amp. But if it does have an amp, you got to hook up to the amp. So right here, I'm gonna, now basically you just plug color to color. Okay, you got red, you got yellow, you got green, black, green, purple, black. You got white right here, white, black, gray, black, the whole 9 yards. The only difference is that this JVC, you're gonna have to tap it to the ground. And as I mentioned, it's from the crux SOOCR26. There's a purple and white wire. I want to plug it to here, right here. I'm gonna put the crimp cap. I just you can use any color you want. I just make it a little bit longer so I can have an easy access. So as you can see, I got that purple and white going to the purple and white right there, and I'm gonna just crimp it to the red from that jacks that we ran from the back of the car. Now I'm gonna be using this 956511-17 is the mounting bracket. This one's pretty easy. See that DDXR, it means for the right side. So you face the radio to like that, the bottom. So this, the right is this side, the left is this side. Now the radio should have 4 screws like that. And what I did, I mounted like this. You can see it's gonna hit this lip right there and screw it just like that. As you can see, that's upside down in a way, but that's how it's supposed to be. And then you do the other side, and voila. Need to clean the screen right here. So now we're gonna take it to the car. We're gonna need antenna. I forgot to mention about antenna. right here. That's the antenna. As you can see, I take one of my tool and just hold it like that so I don't have to cut myself with this thing. It's pretty sharp. If you really see that, it can cut you really good. So I did run the Bluetooth mic down here and coming right up here. I use one of this tool right there. You basically, you press it, it open up and close it, and you pull it out. See this one with the yellow RCA jack? You're gonna hook it up to this purple and white, which is going to the radio. Purple and white, that's it, reverse, or any radio it will say reverse. And then you wanna put this camera in right there and plug your Bluetooth to the Bluetooth mic right there. Plug your antenna, plug your power port, plug your wiring to the car. Test the radio. We got that one going. Where is the wow, I know there's a switch. Oh my goodness, I was looking for that. So put on reverse and see. Uh-oh, no signal. That's no good. Why is there no signal? I don't like that. On the camera you're gonna have to cut this one right there, the green one, out right there. And this is for some sort of line. I'm not gonna mess with it. So I'm just cut that green wire for the HD. And coming back over here, turn it back on. Don't have to start it. It's got that carbon monoxide. Turn it on, hopefully. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Woof. I was about to say. So anyway, it's good now, and I'm gonna run this charger or down to over there, or maybe down here. I'm gonna try to find a way to do it.